In this lesson on the Tower of Babel, we begin by asking students to define babbling. While your students have probably heard of a baby babbling, they might be surprised to learn that they too can babble on and on about something that interests them. Students color code Genesis 11 based on 5 criteria. Phrases with come or let us, spoken by the people, are underlined in blue. What the people were hoping to do in red, and what the people were hoping to avoid in black. Phrases with come or came, spoken by God, are underlined in green, and what God did in purple. Building anything without a common language is challenging, and your students will experience this firsthand by participating in a cooperative project. In Build a Chicken, teams of 2 work together to cut out the shape of a chicken. In Build a Tower, students construct a tower using blocks. Each team of 2 has a foreman who has the picture of what the object should look like, and the builder who must rely on watching the foreman for nods and eye movements only, no talking. So your students are faced with this all-important question. While we were learning about the Tower of Babel, what did we learn about Jesus too? Included in the lesson is a coloring worksheet showcasing a ziggurat, a type of stepped tower that the people of Babel built in an attempt to reach up to God, in hopes of having a relationship based on their own effort. Because this was an impossibility, Jesus came down to us and died on a cross for our sins, making Jesus the way, the only way to the Father.